Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add a cover image to your Notion gallery view. If you've ever wondered how people get those stylish header images at the top of their dashboards or personal pages, stick around. By the end of this quick tutorial. You'll know exactly how to make your own workspace look polished and visually engaging in a matter of seconds. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up Notion in your browser or desktop app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're inside, navigate to the dashboard or profile page where you want to add a cover image. This could be your main workspace, a project dashboard, or even your personal profile page. Just imagine you're picking the room in your home you want to redecorate. Choose the space that matters most to you right now. Now look towards the very top of the page. Just above where your page content begins, you should see a section labeled Add Cover. This is Notion's way of giving you an easy, built-in option to spruce up your page. Go ahead and click on Add Cover. As soon as you do, Notion will instantly generate a default cover for you. It only takes a second, and you'll see a colorful image appear at the top as a header. Don't worry if it's not exactly your style at first, you're not stuck with it. Think of this just like painting a wall for the first time. You can always change the color or mural until it feels just right for you. Here's a useful tip. If you decide you want to go back to no cover or undo the change you just made, simply hold down Ctrl and press Z on your keyboard. That's the universal shortcut for undo in Notion and most other apps. It'll instantly remove the newly added cover and return your page to its previous state. It's almost like having an undo button when you spill a little paint, super handy. If you don't love the first auto-generated cover, don't feel stuck. You can always click the Change Cover button that appears once one is added, and select from Notion's variety of built-in photos, upload your own image, or even link to an image from the web. Take your time here and pick something that visually represents your project or personality. For example, if you're creating a dashboard for a travel journal, maybe a photo of your favorite cityscape or a calming beach scene could set the mood. So that's really all there is to it. Adding a cover in Notion's gallery view is quick and painless, but it can instantly make your pages look organized, professional, and inviting. Remember, your dashboard is often the first thing that greets you when you start your workday, so adding a visual touch is a small change that can actually make a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions about Notion or if you'd like to see more customizations in future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy, confidence-boosting Notion tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.